So there's a myth that a smartphone that's 1 or 2 years old is bad and you need to buy the latest and greatest device, right, to get fast performance. But why is that? Why is that? Why when you buy a device, it was fast when you first bought it? It was the fastest phone on the planet. But 1 or 2 years later, it's the slowest device on the planet, and you need to buy the new latest and greatest device. So everybody believe that you have to buy the latest and greatest device to get the better performance. I think a lot of people is falling for the banana in the tailpipe and listening to what people telling them that 1 or 2 year old devices is terrible. Well, in this video, I'm going to do a non-scientific speed test, open up some apps and showing you guys, don't believe the hype. Well, I got the LG V60 right here, right? I have the 865 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, right? And the only device that I have in my arsenal here with the 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 12 gigs of RAM is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So what I'm going to do is put these two titans head to head and let y'all guys see that it's not all what it's up to be when it comes down to speed. And again, this is a non-scientific test just to have some fun. So I got to put that disclaimer out there because I don't want people to get upset. I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. So let's go on and put these two titans head to head, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you guys my commentary. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So let's talk about today's sponsor, Swap Club. If you have a pair of AirPods and you rocking them till the wheels fall off, yeah, a lot of people rock them till the wheels fall off, and you having some issues with them, all of a sudden your battery life is not that great, low volume, disconnecting frequently, or they're just plain old dirty, filthy, and filled with earwax. Well, welcome to Swap Club. You trade in your old worn out AirPods for a certified refurbished one for a cheaper price. And all you got to do is send in the old AirPods back, and Swap Club will repair them and find them a new home. So it's the easy, cheaper way than buying brand new AirPods. Swap Club was founded by a female, so that's very special. They have a core mission to change people's ways on how they upgrade pre-owned tech, right? They want to have millions of these devices alive out there in the wild instead of being in landfills. I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to check them out. And I want to give a huge thanks for Swap Club for sponsoring this video. So I hope you enjoyed the test that you just saw, right? Now, look, I don't want to shame no devices. Hell, I even made mistakes filming this part of the video. It wasn't to show you guys one device is faster than the other one. We all know how technology has evolved. Things supposed to get faster. Things supposed to get better. Look, I just want y'all guys to see that a phone that you bought a year or two ago that was fast when you first bought it, it's still fast today. Now you have to treat your smartphone like a computer. When your 1 or 2 year old computer gets slow and laggy, what do? Well, you clean it up, right? You either delete bad apps or you run tests and try to clean it up to get rid of all the bad stuff that's running on your computer, that's making your computer run slow. Or you factory reset it. You erase everything on your computer and start from scratch, only installing the apps and programs that you need, that you use all the time. Well, you know what? You have to treat your smartphone just like a computer, because it is a computer in your pocket. So you have to do the same thing. Get rid of the apps that you're not using, maybe factory resetting your device, and that's it. My Galaxy Z4 is only 2 weeks old, so there's no need for me to do any maintenance on it. The LG V60 is 2 years old, so yes, I did factory reset it. And yes, I installed only the apps that I need, and I didn't install any apps that I would never use. Now look, this was a fun video to demonstrate how your old device that's in your pocket, all you got to do is just do a little TLC on it, and it's going to run just as fast as when you first bought it. And you know what? If you want to see the LG V60 go against the Galaxy Fold, click this video right here, and I'm going to be in the comments. Click that video right there, and we go have some fun in the comments. This is Dr. Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the speed test in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Woo! Peace.